Let's take a look at how to install the Churchteams app on your phone. Before a person can install the app, they'll need to be granted access. The most common way to do this is to go to the member profile and click the Invite to Update button, then Member App. They'll receive an email which includes a link to install the app. If they don't already have an online account set up, they'll need to establish one by setting and confirming a password. This email and password becomes the app login. If they already have an account set up, they'll come straight to this screen where they'll click the Install button at the top and then follow the on-screen prompts to add the app to your phone's home screen. You can rename the app if you'd like or leave it as it is and click Done. And now the app is installed on your iPhone. Now let's look at an installation on an Android. Go ahead and begin by clicking the Install App button at the top of the screen. In the pop-up window, select Install. And simple as that, the app is now on your phone. Once installed on either an iPhone or Android, open the app and enter your email and password. If you haven't set this up yet, click Forgot My Password and an email will be sent to you. Next, you'll see a list of app features. If check-in is active at the time, click the blue button to check in your whole family. Next is follow-up. This will only appear if you have active or recent follow-up tasks. Then you'll see Giving, followed by the volunteer schedule. The schedule allows you to add blockout dates, then shows pending invites, accepted dates, and declined. Moving down, you'll see groups, beginning with the groups you lead. You'll be able to take attendance and set up a volunteer schedule. The Events section will begin with current groups that you're registered for, followed by upcoming events open for registration. The Resources section is a place to house links to whatever you choose, such as sermons or the directory. And then finally, Contact Preferences, which will allow you to select email lists and opt out of notifications.